In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 error in Shopify. A 404 error usually means a link in your storefront points to a page that doesn't exist anymore, was moved, or was typed incorrectly. One of the quickest ways to resolve this is to fix your navigation so every item points to a valid page. I'll walk you through creating a clean menu with correct links so those dead ends disappear. Start by going to Shopify.com and signing in to your store's admin. Once you're in, look for the content section in the left sidebar. This area is where you manage things like media and, importantly for us today, your menus. Open content, then choose menus. Here, you'll see any existing navigation you've set up. If a 404 is coming from a broken link in your navigation, creating or updating a menu with the correct destination will fix it for customers. Click Create Menu to start fresh. Give your menu a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize where it will be used, like header navigation or footer links. Keeping names simple and consistent will make it easier to manage later. Now add your first link by selecting Add Menu Item. You'll see two key fields. The label is what your shoppers will see on the site, so make it short and intuitive. Think shop, new arrivals, or contact. Then, in the link field, either search for the correct page, product collection, or blog post, or paste a valid URL. Using the search is best for internal links because it targets items that actually exist in your store. If you paste a link, double-check spelling, capitalization, and slashes. For internal pages, a path like Pages Contact Us is fine. For external sites, include the full address with HTTPS. If you're replacing a link that caused a 404, make sure you're pointing to the updated published destination. After you've added the item, save it, and repeat for any other links you need to fix. When you're finished, click Save to store the entire menu. Look for a confirmation that the menu was saved successfully. That's all you need to correct navigation-based 404 errors. A couple of quick tips. If your theme caches navigation, give it a moment to update or refresh your storefront to see the changes. If a link still shows a 404, verify the target page is published and visible and that there are no typos in the URL. With a properly named menu and accurate links, visitors should stop hitting dead ends and get straight to the content they're looking for.